Hey guys, today we are talking about Amazon product research, and I think in 2022 the biggest factor that is going to help a product become a winning product is going to be its marketability. So let's get into it. Hey guys, this is Farah. Welcome to my channel. I can help you start a private label business on Amazon so you can increase your income and build a life of your dreams. If you would like to work with me, please email me at hello@farahfinds.com so I can help you get started. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is dedicated to helping you build a business online. I share my advice based on my years of experience of being an Amazon seller. So if you are interested in that, then please do subscribe so you don't miss out on the new videos when they come out. So the burning question is, what should you sell on Amazon in 2022 and going forward? What makes a product idea great and winning? I think, the rising ad cost on Amazon across the board, across all the niches, and the Amazon FBA fees rise that has happened, in US and the UK, two of the biggest marketplaces. It is changing things for the sellers, not just the new sellers, but the experienced sellers too. So the products that were profitable last year or the year before might not be profitable anymore because of these two changes. And the thing is, sellers don't have a control over this. And to some extent, even Amazon doesn't have control over the rising shipping costs because obviously that is connected to external environments. So these two factors make, the checklist of what makes a great Amazon product, different again. And so that's why this video is very important. Make sure you watch it till the end because I'm sharing a product with you which is very marketable. And I think going forward, the marketability of a product should be the biggest factor you consider when you are thinking and validating a product because, if you are able to market that product yourself, through organic means, driving traffic through social media, you would have a better chance of seeing success in that product. You would be able to tackle those rising ad costs. The second thing is the product has to have low FBA fees. And that's why, many products that were profitable last year for even experienced sellers have become unprofitable because Amazon has, increased the fees. And a lot of the times the sellers are not able to increase the price because, Amazon is that kind of place where you can't really increase the prices as such of products that have been selling at a lower price previously. So these two things are very, very important to consider going forward in 2022 and beyond. You want to choose a product that you are able to market, and for this reason, I'm sharing and gifting this product to you guys. Take a look, make sure you watch the full product research tutorial, the video that I've created for you guys all the way till the end. So it makes sense to you and you can get the full value from this video. Make sure you guys give this video a like so I know that you enjoyed the value that I provided in this content. So let's jump to my screen now and I will show you the product and how I researched it and what is the marketability factor of this product. Right guys, so let's take a look. I'm going to type in the keyword, that's miniature. Right, now you can see the search volume using keywords everywhere, and the link for this would be in the description box below if you guys want to install it. It's a really useful keyword research Chrome extension. So that's what gives us these search volumes. So when I look up that, so miniature dollhouse kit, 2,900 searches per month, miniature alcohol bottles, 8,100. Like there is different types, but we're just looking at this niche for now. Okay, so it goes into doll houses, and then you'll see all of these products, different products are popping up, and you can look at, see the brand names. There is no major toy brand that's coming up other than Kidcraft. I'm not entirely sure about Kidcraft. Haven't really purchased anything from them as such. So I don't know how big of a brand they are. Just have a quick look. Okay. Okay, so Kidcraft products are a little higher priced, and there are 7 sellers on this listing, 2 sellers here, 6 sellers. So this is obviously just one big brand we see. A lot of the other brands that you see are kind of, I think they're Chinese-based sellers, pseudo brands, pseudo brand names, that kind of thing. Cute Room, what are they? Let's take a look. So there's different kinds of products you see here, and price points are different. So this is like a bread shop. So it's a whole niche. It's a whole different kind of thing. So there is decent search volume on this keyword. The reason I found this product and became interested in this, and I wanted to share with you, is the product obviously comes flat packed in a box, okay? And as you know, the FBA fees are going up from March. Actually, they have gone up in the UK as well from March, and in the US they went up earlier this year. So it's very, very important now, that more than ever before in 2022 and going forward, that we choose a product that is very, very easy to sorry, let me just move that up. Very, very easy to ship to FBA and does not cost too much. And because these products, these miniature products and the cardboard and all the whole setup comes flat packed, they make a good fit. Now, depending on how big of a setup it is, if it's very small, the selling price is going for about £20. So I had a look at this one. Okay, I had this opened, and now they are doing a few different styles here that they've set up a variation from. But when I run my Jungle Scout on this, it's 4 daily sales, about 3 daily sales and 96 monthly sales. So it's like an estimation of the sale. When you look at their monthly sale data, okay, so they've been selling this around March 2020, 57 units, and gone up to 159 units around November 2020. In December, sold a little less, and then in January and December 2021, 382 units. So the listing has been establishing itself, over time. So that's one interesting thing about this product idea. Then you look at the weight of the product, it's about over 1 kilo on a standard parcel. So the FBA fees is reflective here. The referral fee is about £4.13, which is connected to the price of the product. So if you price it higher, this will change. The fulfillment fee is not that high. It's about £2.18. For this kind of product now, I wanna show you, like, this is a 2-story setup. So there's like a ground floor and a top floor. Okay, so for this kind of a product, you have to go to Alibaba. Okay, I ran a search, miniature dollhouse, again same keyword, and different sort of price points are coming up here. Okay, so $51. So obviously here they've got this March Expo going on. The price points are coming up quite high for this product. Okay, so let's take an example of this one, about $13. Okay, it is single story though. Okay, so this product is 2 stories. So maybe I can go here. Obviously this is again just as an example. So this is the kind of product, and for over 300 pieces, the price would drop to $13. So let's just go back to Amazon. Okay, so guys, this is very close to that product I saw on Alibaba. So I'm gonna use the, let's hope they have it on FBA. Yes, they do. So dispatches from Amazon. Okay, so let's run Jungle Scout on this and see what can we find. Okay, for daily sales, no, 13 monthly sales. Okay, so the sales are a little different on this. First available in 2020. Oh, yeah, that's disappeared. Average 8 monthly sales. Okay, at this price point. So we are just okay, so this is actually less than a kilo, and the product tier is standard parcel. So FBA fees is again £2.18. Let's add the product cost here. So for this glasshouse kind of product, it's coming up, let's say you just buy 10 units to try. Okay, $15. Let's see. $15. Actually, because this is in pounds, I will have to it's $15, so let's just call it like I don't know, 12 pounds or something. So it's telling me that my potential profit margin is about £11 and 2 pence. Okay, so this is about the potential profit that I can make in this product if I try some units. Now obviously we know that it's going to cost us another you know, £4 to £5 in ad spend. That's Amazon PPC to be able to actually sell 1 unit of this product. Okay, because you'll be a new seller starting new. So this is the profit potential that you've got left to play with. Okay, if you guys want to use Jungle Scout for project research, I have the discount code below in the description box. Make sure you guys use it to get yourself a discounted rate. So the reason I find this idea attractive is obviously there's decent search volume, and you can see that obviously it's tiny little products, and the marketing side of it is very, very interesting. So if you look at you go to YouTube, right, and you go, obviously YouTube is also has a search suggestion. So if you look at the miniature dollhouse kit, or just look at the different search volumes here. So Victorian dollhouse, 900 searches. DIY dollhouse cardboard, 1,000 searches per month. Miniature DIY, 3,600 searches. So there's a lot of different ways you can market this product for free and lower your ad cost on Amazon. So this channel, it's so interesting. If you just go look at these guys, so this is just somebody 25 minutes of video, and they are just building this product, DIY dollhouse here. People find it calming and all the rest of it. But I'll just pause it and just look at how many subscribers this channel has. And you know, for this dollhouse kit and more styles, please visit this website. So you could organically market this product of yours by creating a DIY video without showing your face, and putting this link to your Amazon store, and it can be your Amazon affiliate link too, and then you are able to market this product without paying for ad spend, and it counters that. So I found this idea really, really interesting, but again, this product has slightly higher weight, so it might not be for everybody, but it's an idea that you can develop on. So the dollhouse is not the only type. You can have little garden sets. It's something like, you know how you have diamond paintings and you have
you know, puzzles, 1,000-piece puzzles and things like that, where people want to do something with focus that they enjoy doing. It's a hobby. There is a whole niche out there of people who love doing this kind of thing, and they're interested and they watch it on YouTube, on different social channels. You're able to promote this product, so it's very, very interesting in that way. And as I have shown you, a lot of these products and brands, they are you know, still private labeled, as in, you know, you don't see them like there was only one big brand that we saw which was you know, premium priced, that was Kidcraft, but these are more you know, targeted at adults. And so how you would get the best price of this product, so for example, I just saw this product on Alibaba, and I thought that, okay, how can I get the better price of this product? So that's where, you know, sourcing, knowing how to source better, really, really helps. And you can go to 1688.com, and there is a very similar looking product. Now, depending on what you're looking for, that's how you would look this up. So for something like this, or there's different suppliers, okay, depending on who you choose, there's different price points. So over here, it's the biggest version of this, and you can see that it's 107 Chinese yuan. And over here, there's like some even less as well. Some are selling for 25 Chinese yuan. So when you convert that to what you would pay in dollars, like 25, 34 Chinese yuan, it's just $4 US. So depending on where you source from, okay, how do you get in touch with those people, how you source this product, for like something like this, if you were to use that price, okay, the one I just showed you, they're having about 30 monthly sales for this product. It's not flying off the shelf, but then it's they actually just started selling in 2020 in toys and games. This product, yeah, it's over 1 kilo, standard parcel, £2.18 FBA fulfillment fee. Let's see, put the product cost in here. Let's say about £3, and you stand to make about £17.68 if you source directly from the manufacturers using 1688. So a very handsome profit potential here, and it will leave you enough margin to spend on PPC as well. There are a lot of Chinese sellers here where in this niche, so obviously you have to be mindful of the competition, but I wanted to share this idea because the reason this is very attractive is because of its marketability, and that's what makes this idea really attractive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.
Guys, I've been talking about Amazon for 2 years. I created this video and this video. Make sure you guys watch it, and I hope you'll enjoy it.